It's Kristen and Kayla.
Do you remember when your parents used to tell you that they made their own book covers for school?
That's crazy. We don't even use textbooks anymore.
Well, since it's Throwback Thursday, we're going to throw it back and show you guys how to make your own book covers.
What you're going to need is some scissors
and a brown paper bag.
First, you are going to cut down the middle of the paper bag, and you could use the lines to help you. And then you're just going to cut out the bottom.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Nope, just cut.
That's the side.
Then you're just going to cut the bottom out. And there you have it. It should be open like this.
You're going to bring your book back and open the cover, and you're going to slide it into the pockets of the paper bag. Like this. Now flip to the back cover and repeat these steps. Like so. And this is what it should look like.
You could also do this with a cute gift bag, and you could put your favorite saying on it or some cute stickers.
This is what it looks like with the gift bag.
You could also use your favorite gift wrapping paper.
The cool thing about the wrapping paper is there's one less step because there's no need to cut out the bottom.
And this is what it looks like with the wrapping paper.
If you want to do either of those, you could stick with the brown paper bag and personalize it yourself with whatever drawings or quotes you like.
Yes.
Ask your parents if they remember making their own book covers. And if they do, please comment down below Bookcover.
And if you tried this tutorial today, make sure to tag us on Instagram at Kristen and Kayla. Thanks for watching. Aloha.
And adios, Kristen and Kayla.